Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to teach y'all how to fix a sliding glass door screen. So there are a couple things you need before you start. You need a razor blade, some screen spline, some scissors, and a screen and spline tool, and of course you need your screen. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is you want to get your screen. You want to put it over your door. And what you want to do is make sure it's straight, because you don't want the squares to be crooked, because when you look at it, it'll look way off. Alright, once you get all the squares and everything lined up, you want to take a small piece of spline and stick it into the little gutter right here and leave a small part sticking out, because you want to take that out later. And if you need to, you can use a little spline tool. Stick it in just like this. Now I have a small piece sticking out right there. It's looking good right now. I'm going to start with the top of your door, then go to the bottom. Do the same thing on the bottom. Now, after you've got the bottom, you're going to start with 2 pieces on one side and then go to the other side. Now what you want to do after you have your 6 pieces of spline in is get all your spline, and you want to start right on the bottom right here. You want to start laying out your spline, and as you move across the bottom, you're going to want to take out each spline that you put in already. So, do it. Alright, now that you have all your spline in place, you will need to get your pair of scissors and cut off the excess spline. Now you can just push the rest of it in, and you have your spline completed. So now you gotta get rid of the rest of the screen. So you get your razor knife out and you just cut the screen as close as you can get it to the spline. then after that, your screen is done. It's that easy. Hey, if you guys have any questions or comments, you can just comment down below and we'll try to answer them the best that we can. Hey, if you guys like this video, please subscribe and like the video while you're at it. Thanks.